Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
गोवा सरकाराच्या स्टार्टअप प्रमोशन विभागान घडोवन हाडिल्ली गोवा स्टार्टअप परिशद 2 दीस चलतली. IT उद्देगाक स्किल्ड लेबर मेळना, कनेक्टिविटीच्योय खंय कटकटी.
Availability of skilled resources in Goa, wherein we're not getting the kind of right skilled people in time in the Goan market. This is not only going to pose a challenge for the IT companies, but a bigger challenge for startups. Second, consistent and strong internet connectivity, especially in the rural areas of Goa.
30,000 गोंयकार जगभर IT उद्देगान आसात. तांकां खंय गोंयांत रोजगाराची संद निर्माण करतले.
To give an idea, we have around 30,000 Goans who are working both in the Indian and the global sector in the IT field. What GITP would like to do is to have more of these Goans based in Goa. Right? We would like to have an efficient and effective grievance redressal mechanism to see that these hurdles are handled as quickly as possible.
IT मंत्री सरकाराच्या स्किमींचेर उलयली.
The policies have been tremendous in impacting over 1,500 entrepreneurs and about 45 startups have been incentivized. Given that the last 2 years have not been easy, we have seen more than a few success stories. We will be only looking up and ahead from here on, and I extend my full support to all budding minds to come forward and present us with your vision.
मुख्यमंत्री स्टार्टअप स्वयंपूर्ण गोंया सकयल घेवपाचें उलयले.
We are in fact revising the startup policy very soon with lot of additional changes which will benefit for the upcoming startup. We will soon have the Bharat broadband project implemented in Goa to ensure the very strong internet connectivity. आत्मनिर्भर भारत आणि स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय हे सुरू जाल्लें मिशन आसा आणि स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय हे म्हाज्या लिमिटेड आशिल्ल्या फक्त एग्रीकल्चर, हॉर्टिकल्चर, डेरी कल्चर इतक्याच पुरतें नासून सेकंड फेजींतल्यान हांव उलो मारता म्हज्या सगळ्या प्रोफेशनल भाव भयणीक हांव उलो मारता गोंय स्वयंपूर्ण करपा खातीर वेगवेगळ्या सॅक्टरांत गांवांनी सुरू जावचे स्टार्टअप सेल, गांवांतल्यान सुरू जावच्यो स्टार्टअप कंपनी.
सरकाराच्यो अश्यो स्टार्टअप परिशदो खंय नव्या वेवसायिकांक बऱ्याक.
पयलीं स्टार्टअप डे जाल्लो, थोड्याच स्टार्टअपांक चान्स मेळ्ळो, बट ह्या एका सगळ्यांक इनवॉल्व केलें आनी बरें दिसलें की खूब पार्टिसिपेशन येयलें आनी अशेंच करून आमकां आतां गोंयानूय स्टार्टअप ट्रेंड मेळटलो जो पळोवपाक आनी खूब स्टार्टअप्स वयर सरतली.
प्रुडंटा खातीर स्वप्नील तारी.